Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can create a YouTube channel from scratch, of course using some amazing tips. Well, to start with, make sure you already have a niche that you're going to serve, and of course for this case I'm going to be using educational content niche, and of course make sure you have a channel name. And you can see right on your screen I have chosen brand YouTube tips, and you must have a Google account to open up a YouTube channel. But if you already have one, you can skip this step. But if you don't have, or you don't know how to create one, I'm going to be showing you how to do that from scratch. And of course this is the one that I've chosen. Then make sure you have chosen a strong password for your Gmail account or Google account, and of course we do this for security purposes. Without wasting time, let's dive into the tutorial. So first things first, we shall head to the Gmail website and just search that in Google. I'm using Google Chrome as my web browser, but you can use any of your choice, and I'm using Google as my search engine, but as well you can use any of your choice. So search Gmail in your Google Chrome or search engine right there, or Google search engine, and just hit on the first website that pops up, and it will bring you to this particular page. Then go to create account. If you already have a Gmail account, then go to sign in, but we are starting this tutorial from scratch, so I'll go to for my personal use. But if you have a business or work, you can choose this second option. So click on for my personal use right there, and of course for the name, I always like to use my channel name down there, so you can choose any of your names here. So I'll just copy and paste that right there, and I'll just call it brand, then space, then YouTube, then space, and of course tips. So for the last name, it's always optional. Then go next and do this really quickly. Choose the month of birth, day, and as well the year. So let me do this really quickly. Then under gender, I like to select rather not say, and after that smash next. Then they'll bring you to this particular page which says choose your Gmail address. By default, Google is going to give you suggestions, but I always like to say create your own Gmail address. And I've already put this aside as my Gmail, so I'll just copy it up and paste it here. Okay, then I smash next. Then for the password, like I told you earlier on, make sure you choose a very strong password for your project for security purposes. Then confirm the password and smash next. Then they'll bring you here whereby you have to get a verification code to your phone to confirm that you're not a robot. So let me do this really quickly, then I get back to you. So guys, when you're done with that step, they'll send you a Google verification code on that particular number, and of course after you've entered it in, just say next. And of course for now I'm going to skip the recovery part of it, so skip, and as well just go next. Then make sure you agree to the privacy and terms policy, but of course for me, I will not read through. I will assume I know each and everything there, so just say agree. So once you've agreed the terms, your Gmail account will be ready, and of course now we are good to go. So now the next step is for us to create a YouTube channel. But if you've watched the video up to this point, and I guess you're bored enough, so you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel and also like the video. So to create a YouTube channel really quickly, just say to YouTube, search it in your browser, okay? And of course it's always here, or you just type in the URL of the YouTube website, which is youtube.com. so just hit on that first website that comes up. Then they'll bring you of course right here to the platform, and make sure you just go to this icon like you can see here. For now I'll just allow every notification that comes up here, so hit on this icon like you can see, and of course make sure you click on create a channel here. So I'll click that, and of course they'll bring you to this particular pop-up. So right here they will tell you how you will appear on the platform, and of course here you select a profile picture. I will show you how you can create a logo for your YouTube channel. Then for the name, this is the name of your YouTube channel, and of course this is the handle. Fast forward, let me just show you these two. So when you head to YouTube, I'm going to use a particular channel for demonstration, and I'm going to use Savla UG. Okay, so once you head to Savla UG, of course they are going to bring you so many suggestions, but I'm talking about this particular channel. So for the YouTube channel name, it's this one right here, and of course for the handle, it's this one right here. So for the YouTube channel name, we are good to go, and as well for the handle, we are good to go. But if you don't like these, you can always change them with time. So once you're contented with everything here, just go ahead and create channel. So congratulations guys, we've already created a YouTube channel. Now what next? We have to customize our channel to something like this. Okay, we have to customize our YouTube channel to something like this. Of course, for the home page and everything ABCD, we shall be doing each and everything from scratch. So go ahead and click on customize channel, or you can just still click on this icon and click on YouTube Studio. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we shall go and click on customize channel, and that will take us to our YouTube Studio. Well, YouTube tells us welcome to YouTube Studio, and of course here we have a message. YouTube Studio has personalized insights, the latest news and insider tips, analytics and more. So just click on continue, and of course this is the view of our YouTube Studio. Now you might be asking yourself, what is the YouTube Studio all about? Of course, the YouTube Studio helps us to upload videos and just customize the appearance of our channel. So if you want to view the channel, there is a short link here, so just click on that, and of course this is our YouTube channel. As you can see, it's green, it's empty, it looks like there is nothing there yet. But since we have the YouTube Studio interface, we shall be able to customize all that right here. So first things first, we have under channel customization. For example, if you scroll down on the left hand side of your screen, we have customization right here. So this is where we upload a banner image. Now for the banner image, I mean this background image right here, as you can see here on this particular channel. Then profile picture, that is the logo. So this is the logo, as you can see here. Then as well, when you scroll down, we have YouTube channel name. Of course, I've already told you, you can change this at any time you feel like. And here they tell you can change your name twice in 14 days, so you can't change it every day. So if I change it now, then that means I'll have to wait for 2 weeks to change it again. Then for the handle as well, you can change it, and still the handles can be changed twice every 14 days. So you can change the handle twice every 14 days. Then for the description, this is just a simple summary of what your channel is all about to your subscribers or viewers. Like you can see at this particular channel, if you click on this more section, there's a description section right here. So this description briefly tells your subscribers what your channel is all about, and this is where we put the description from. Okay, and they always give us about 1,000 words. Then for the language, you can add, but for now we shall leave that. Then this is the URL to your YouTube channel. So if you want to share this to a certain group of people to come and subscribe to your channel, so make sure you copy this particular link or URL. This is what you're going to share to your friends. Then if you have links, let me say, to your social media handles or platforms, this is where I add those links from. And for instance, if you take a look at this YouTube channel, vidIQ, let me just use this as a case study to show you that. So if you head to vidIQ,
1,000.
to, the description part, you can see they have links right here, and of course they added those links in this particular section here. So you just go add link, and of course make sure you enter the link title. So this is the link title, as you can see. Then the link URL comes next, and of course this is the link URL. So you add all that information in this particular section under links. Then again, contact information. Now this is very important, very important. So make sure that the email address that you're going to pinch in here is different from the email address you used to open up your YouTube channel. Why? Because hackers always use that email address to try to get into your channel. So make sure you put in a separate email address from the one that you used to create this particular channel. Then the video watermark, I always recommend you use your logo right there, and of course this just normal appears whenever a video is playing from your channel. So that is that. For the purpose of this video, I don't want to make it so long, so I'll be coming back in the next video to show you how you can customize your entire dashboard, and as well how you can upload your first video on this new channel. So we shall be doing that in the next video upload. See you there. Bye for now. I'm out of here.